Hi there. Today I'm going to talk about hibiscus. Do you know what? I've got this in my garden. I didn't know the benefits of it. Number one, it reduces high blood pressure. But I would advise if you've got low blood pressure, I wouldn't take it. Number two, it supports your immune system. It's very high in vitamin C. It's got a strong antioxidant that we know is responsible for, keeping your immune system strong. Hibiscus is, it's called sour tea apparently as well because of the strong, sour taste. It's a herbal tea, which, actually I've seen in the shops, they sell it in packets and things, but I never knew that it was a flower. I'm learning something every day, so it's really nice to talk about things I don't really know very much of. Do you know the color of it can be white, yellow, peach and red, and it can grow as big as 6 inches wide. Apparently there are many ways of drinking this tea. Today I'm going to try with lemon and honey, and there are various ways of doing this tea apparently. Ginger and honey, mint, and lemon. I'm going to do, like I said, I'm going to do honey, mint and lemon. How to make hibiscus tea? I'm going to use 7 or 8 stems, 7 or 8 flowers, and what you do, you break the stamen in the middle and the green bit outside of it. I'm going to show you a video of it, or a photo of it. Pour 2 cups of hot water and leave it there for 10 minutes, but don't leave it too long, it gets a bit too sour. And have your slice of lemon into your jug, and when you pour the water after that, you can put some more lemon and mint after that, and then sweeten it with honey. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed my video. God, like I said, you learn something every day, and maybe there might be a part 2 of this one as I go along, and as I research more about it. And I'm sure there must be more other benefits. If you know of any, please let me know, that contribute to this lovely flower. And if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed, please do. Most appreciated. Until next time, bye now.